Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Hello everyone, and hello Nexo. This is a vocabulary lesson.
Hello, Emma. I am ready to learn.
Today, we will learn words from this category. Animals. With words like cat and dog.
That sounds fun, Emma.
Here is how the video is structured. Words. Listen to each word. Quiz 1. Practice the words in Quiz 1. Phrases. Hear each word in a sentence. Quiz 2. Practice the phrases in Quiz 2. Are you ready to begin, Nexo?
Yes, Emma. I am ready.
Let's start by listening to the words.
Great. I will listen carefully. Cat. Cat.
Dog. Dog.
Bird. Bird. Fish. Fish. Horse. Horse. Cow. Cow. Sheep. Sheep. Pig. Pig. Duck. Duck. Rabbit. Rabbit. Mouse. Mouse. Lion. Lion. I know many animal words now.
Now we will do a quiz to reinforce the vocabulary we learned. Nexo, match the image with the correct word.
Bird.
Dog.
Lion. Cat. What is this? Cat. What is this?
Dog.
What is this? Bird. Cow. Fish. Horse. Pig. What is this? Fish. What is this? Horse. What is this? Cow. Bird. Pig. Sheep. Duck. What is this? Sheep. What is this? Pig. What is this? Duck. Lion. Duck. Rabbit. Mouse.
What is this? Rabbit. What is this? Mouse. What is this? Lion.
How was the quiz, Nexo?
I liked the pictures.
Excellent. Now let's hear the vocabulary in context.
Cat. The cat is small. The cat is small. Dog. The dog is happy. The dog is happy. Bird. The bird is in the tree. The bird is in the tree. Fish. The fish is blue. The fish is blue. Horse. The horse is big. The horse is big. Cow. The cow is on the farm. The cow is on the farm. Sheep. The sheep is white. The sheep is white. Pig. The pig is pink. The pig is pink. Duck. The duck is in the water. The duck is in the water. Rabbit. The rabbit is fast. The rabbit is fast. Mouse. The mouse is under the table. The mouse is under the table. Lion. The lion is strong. The lion is strong.
Now it is time for quiz 2. Match the image with the sentence.
I am ready for the sentences.
The cat is small. A. The dog is happy. A. The bird is in the tree. C. The fish is blue. C. The horse is big. B. The cow is on the farm. A. The sheep is white. C. The pig is pink. A. The duck is in the water. A. The rabbit is fast. C. The mouse is under the table. A. The lion is strong. C.
Good job, Nexo. This is the end of the lesson. Goodbye, listeners. Please continue with the next lesson.
Thank you, Emma. The animal words were easy and fun.